German, French, Hindi, English, all this we learn, but all this we learn as we grow. But then there's one language which you never have to learn. There's one language which is accepted worldwide, universal language, and that is laughter. We are born with the talent to laugh, but then as we grow old, we forget to laugh. So if we lose nothing by stop laughing, there's nothing wrong with it. But then there are so many benefits of laughter that forgetting to laugh is actually a biggest blunder in life. So to classify what are the benefits of laughter, there are three basic benefits. One is physical health, one is your mental health, and then your social benefits. Physical health. How many of you here want to stay fit, look fit, but then hate going to gym? I lift my hand too because I hate going to gym.
Both hands.
So for all these people out here, maximum people out here who hate going to gym, laughter could be a very good alternative. How? The science behind this is that whenever you laugh, your the abdominal muscles, your neck muscles and your voice box, everything vibrates. And your diaphragm contracts, which forces out all your stale air from within and throws it out. So this is why your metabolic activities increase, your digestion increases, and in turn balances your weight maintenance. Next is, as we laugh, we also inhale a lot of oxygen, and it gives a lot of exercise to your facial muscles. And this is the main thing that is important for anti-aging. So for all the women out there who want to look younger and beautiful, you don't have to go get a facelift treatment out there. All you have to do is laugh a little more. And for all the men out there who next time your wife asks you to fund their cosmetic face treatments, all you have to tell them is laugh a little more. You look beautiful. Alright, so this is about physical health. Next is mental health. Because of a very complicated lifestyle, every day you come across problems where people have depressions and nervousness, a lot of things like this. So what happens is there are two chemicals called endorphins and opioids, which are painkillers. And whenever we laugh, these chemicals are released in our body, and this acts as a painkiller to us, and it distracts you from the painful thought that you keep thinking about all the time. So thus, it has actually proven very helpful in for people who have migraines or tension headaches, etc. Then the third topic, social benefits. I'm sure all of you agree laughter is very contagious. You go smile at a stranger, he will smile back at you. You go smile at an enemy, he will also smile at you, even though it is a fake smile, he'll still smile at you. So for example, let's say, I'm sure all of you have at least one person whom you don't like at office, one colleague of yours whom you don't like looking at. Okay, Abhishek is thinking. So go out today, smile at the person. The first smile could be fake. He'll also smile back at you. If the feeling is mutual, even that will be fake. Do it for 3-4 days. Over a period of time, your smile from fake, it becomes genuine, and it becomes a routine of your life. And then you make another friend. So you make more friends and your environment becomes better. So these are all the basic benefits of laughter. But then, okay, now people might be like, okay, I'm not mad to laugh alone. I don't have time to laugh. I can't do anything extra. You don't have to do anything extra. You definitely go out with your colleagues to have lunch. Instead of talking of topics where he says, oh my God, my son sleeps so late and all the time he's crying. Instead of topics like this, you can take up some, very nice topics where people are very happy about it. And secondly, you can take up topics, okay, you can even take up wall posters and hangers which are very funny, put up at your desk or at workplace. Every time you look at it, you will have a smile at your face. So ultimately, even that smallest smile brightens up your moment. And after all this, if you still have time, instead of watching some drama movie where everybody's crying from the beginning till the end, you can watch a movie where, nice funny movies or a stand-up comedians. I really love watching Russell Peters, so you can also try watching it. And in spite of all this, if you still don't feel like laughing, I have a small video for you guys. Well, I can't put it on the projector because the video quality is very bad. Can everybody see us?
Angle it up. Little bit more. Little bit bent towards inside.
Close it. Yeah, and stop it when I
Okay. No sound?
Oh, it's there. That's the best part. Sorry. No, it's mute. You just talk.
How do you try from that? Take care.
Can I take a half a second more time or?
Sure.
Ready? And begin.
Okay, I didn't see a lot of people laughing. Actually, when I watched this video, I laughed for like I know how long. So that was as long as it made you laugh, it doesn't matter what made you laugh. Alright, so these are the ways by which you can make yourself happy every day. So all said and done, finally, I have this short message. 60 seconds spent upset is a minute lost of happiness. So keep laughing, be happy. With this, I want to call upon our emotion.